As an employer, if you want to support your employees' permanent residency through any OINP job offer stream, you must first submit the job offer yourself. Just a quick heads up, this tutorial is for employers, explaining how to submit an employee's job offer application through an employer portal. Your employee cannot submit their expression of interest under any OINP job offer stream until you complete this step. Employees shouldn't submit a job offer themselves. Only the employer or someone legally authorized, like an HR staff or a supervisor, should do that. To start, Google Ontario ePortal and click the correct result. If the validation checkbox doesn't respond, you can still continue. If you haven't created your employer portal yet, pause this video and check the tutorial linked in the top right corner. Once ready, log in and follow the steps as shown. Go to your employee's job offer dashboard and start a new draft. Before proceeding, speak with your employee to confirm which stream they're applying under. Even though the portal may flag issues with the job offer or employer details based on the selected stream's criteria, you should still review the requirements yourself. Just Google the stream name or visit the OINP website. In this tutorial, we're using the foreign worker stream. Enter your employee's personal email address. Make sure it's one they fully control. Once the draft is started, fill out the job offer details as prompted. You can click the help icons for guidance along the way. Enter the employee's hourly wage. For salaried roles, convert to hourly by excluding bonuses and dividing by annual work hours. Depending on the stream, the wage must meet or exceed the required low or median wage for the role and region, unless covered by a collective agreement. Confirm that the offer is for at least 30 hours per week and that it's a permanent role, not seasonal or contract-based. Enter the location where the employee works. If working at multiple sites, use the place they report their work or get assignments. Confirm whether the address is in Toronto or in Durham, Halton, York, or Peel region, then continue. Confirm your contact details or update them as instructed later. If you want to assign a representative to handle this application on your behalf, we'll soon show you how to do it in this video. Once done, review the information and submit the application. Congratulations! You've successfully submitted your employee's job offer application. Your employee will receive an email with the job offer ID. If they don't already have an active account, they'll also receive a PIN and enrollment number. Once they confirm they've received this info, your part as the employer is complete for now. No further action is needed until your employee gets an invitation to apply. Your employee or their representative must then use the job offer ID to register an expression of interest within 30 days. Once that's done, you'll get an email confirming they've accepted the offer and entered the selection pool. If they're invited to apply, you'll get an email instructing your next steps as the employer. It may take days or even months to get an invitation. If you need to withdraw the application, change contact details, or add a representative, just follow the prompts. You'll have the option to review the representative's details before officially appointing them. Once done, hit Appoint. Check the Ontario Immigration playlist linked in the top right to learn what to do next after your employee receives an invitation.